Genie Builder is a low-code development tool that helps you build data-centric web apps in pure Julia. With it, you can build anything, from interactive dashboards to applications running AI models and scientific simulations in real time. Tightly integrated with the VS Code IDE, Genie Builder features a no-code drag-and-drop editor to quickly build the user interface of your web application. In the editor, you can preview the components right in the canvas, edit their properties, and adjust their styling. In the backend, the app logic is implemented with a few lines of Julia code using Genie's low-code framework. What's more, Genie Builder includes an AI assistant that helps you edit the UI components, and it can even bootstrap the entire UI of the app. Then you can customize the app to your liking with the visual editor. It also features a theme editor to set a consistent visual appearance across your applications. Let's now see how to build a simple app. Assume we have some Julia code for training a neural differential equation for forecasting temperature data. We can easily turn this code into an interactive web app and share it with colleagues or clients. We launch Genie Builder in the IDE and start by designing the UI, setting the page layout with a header, a row with 2 columns, and another row. Now, we drop a slider to control the prediction time horizon, a big number to display the mean squared error, and a plot to display the forecast. Then, we implement the app logic in the Julia code. In the first lines, we have the package imports and data loading and setup. The reactive code that handles interactivity comes afterwards. We first add reactive variables tagged with the in and out macros. These will hold the state of the slider and number, and expose the data frames with the data for the plot. Next, we add a reactive handler with the onChange macro, which watches a reactive variable, and when its value changes, it executes a code snippet. In this case, the code will update the forecast data that is shown in the plot. For the final step, we go back to the no-code editor and bind each component to their corresponding reactive variable. For plotting, there is a comprehensive configurator allowing you to pick your data and customize the plot layout. And that's it. We are done and ready to share our app. Genie Builder is available on the VS Code Marketplace so that you can install and run it locally on your computer. You'll also find Genie Builder on Julia Hub, where users can work in a pre-configured VS Code environment, collaborate on their Genie apps, and deploy them easily in just one click. Check out our website at genieframework.com and our documentation site at learn.genieframework.com to learn more.